Welcome to Creata Classes. This is 20th lecture under the quadrilateral series, and in this lecture we will cover our 5th question. The question is: consider the following parallelograms. Find the value of the unknowns x, y and z. Let's refer the first figure. In this figure, ABCD is given as a parallelogram and angle BCO is given as 30 degree and angle AOD is given as 90 degree. We have to find the value of x, y and z. Are you able to observe angle AOD is equal to angle BOC because they are vertically opposite angles. So we got angle x as 90 degree. Further, are you able to observe the triangle BOC? Okay, this is the triangle BOC and we know sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we got angle x plus angle y plus angle 30 degree is equal to 180 degree and we know angle x is 90 degree. So we got angle y as 60 degree. Further, ABCD is given as parallelogram, means its opposite sides will be parallel to each other. That is, AD is parallel to BC. Are you able to observe the transversal BD intersecting with the parallel lines BC and AD? Here angle y and angle z are alternate interior angles. And we know alternate interior angles in case of parallel line are equal. That is, angle y is equal to angle z. And we know angle y is 60 degree. So we got angle z also as 60 degree. So we have got x, y and z. That is the answer of this question. Moving to the next figure. In this figure also we have to find the value of x, y and z. ABCD is given as a parallelogram. Angle B is given as 112 degree and angle DAC is given as 40 degree. And we know in a parallelogram the opposite angles are equal to each other. So angle D will be equal to angle B and angle B is 112 degree and angle D is y. So we got y as 112 degree. So we got one unknown. Moving further, if you observe the triangle ADC, this is a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle y plus 40 degree plus angle x will be equal to 180 degree. And we have just got the value of angle y as 112 degree. On solving, we got x as 28 degree. So we got x and y. Let's find the value of z. And we also know the sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So we got angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. And we know angle A is 40 degree plus z. And angle B is 112 degree. So we got angle Z as 28 degree. So we got x, y and z. One more approach, we know AB is parallel to CD. We can assume AC as a transversal and angle X and angle Z will be the alternate interior angles. And we know alternate interior angles in case of parallel line are equal. So angle X is equal to angle Z. Okay, one other approach, you can try different techniques to solve the question. So that's it for this lecture. For more information, visit our website creataclasses.com. The link is given in the description. So thank you very much for being with Creata Classes. Bye for now.